Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we're going to be unboxing days 15 through 20 on my advent calendar from Aberdeen Wool. It's the Tangled Poets 2021 advent calendar. As I explained back during Vlogmas, I was not able to participate during Vlogmas because we had some very unfortunate things going on here at the house. So, walking with you guys for my day-to-day was not going to be a very pleasant experience for any of us. So I am unboxing my 2021 advent calendar now in January. Last week, I just, wow, the week, and it ended with losing all the footage of unboxing the advent calendar. So I'm going to reopen days 15 through 20. I'm going to stop this video and I will do another video for Saturday where I unbox the last 5 days of the advent calendar, and we'll just call it done at this point because nothing here ever seems to go normal. At the end of the video, I will show pictures of where I am on the shawl and the socks. There is no update yet on when the pattern for the sweater will be released. I still have not picked a sweater because until I see all the yarns, I won't really know what I want to do yet. So, ooh, that's a pretty color. I've already forgotten what's in here, sorry. Beautiful, beautiful teal. And that maize that keeps popping up, like I'm really hoping. I know there's like a full skein or a 20 gram mini of the maize color somewhere floating around in here. And I really want to see what those two look like up next to each other. And what I should have done is grabbed some cotton. Let me do that real quick. So I can just tie the tags onto the hanks of yarn instead of trying to squeeze them back into the... Okay. So while I sit here and thread my little tags up, a couple of you guys have asked about where I got the box. In the description box of all the videos, I've had a link for Aberdeen Wool Co. I don't think the box is still available. However, this is the Tangled Poets collection. So if you go into the Tangled Poets collection, they're on Aberdeen Wool Co.'s website. They do have some of these yarns available, or some that are very similar in the collection that are available for purchase. It is a beautiful collection of yarns. They're all spectacular. That's actually one of the reasons why I went ahead and got this advent calendar, because I already knew, just like I keep saying with the subscription boxes, if you vibe with a designer or a dyer, you're a little bit more secure in your risk when it comes to buying something like that. So I already knew I really liked the look of these before I ordered the advent calendar. So I was willing to splurge on the advent calendar. Kind of wish I didn't do the socks and shawl and had just saved everything for a sweater, because like that minty green color was the base, the foundation of day one's yarn and the shawl. Yeah, I was just following along with the calendar. I do like how my socks are turning out though. The shawl's turning out beautiful. It just, I have to have time, like brain time, to sit there and work on it. And I haven't had a lot of brain time. Right now, we're trying to get weight on Banner. He is severely underweight. So he's older than we thought he was. And when we took him to the vet, he weighed just shy of 3 pounds. We now have him to 3.3 pounds. So he's putting on weight. But this means like feeding that kitten like 4 or 5 times a day. And where Pippin had his teeth removed, he's on a wet food diet. So that means feeding him 3 or 4 times a day. So it's a lot of running around trying to feed cats every day. All right, day 17. But yeah, you can jump in and purchase the hanks, and then they also have 3 hank sets of the Tangled Poets yarn. Ooh, I don't know quite what I want to make out of this color. It blends perfectly with the maizy color here, but that's so coppery. And I mean, it's perfect. Don't get me wrong. I just don't know what to make of that color. That's very pretty. Part of the reason why I like the Tangled Poets collection is there's unexpected combinations, as you're saying, even in the regular collection. So sometimes there's an unexpected, pop of something I really like pink. But then other times, like that maize color will pop up. And it's just really dynamic. It's interesting. Visually, it's kind of exciting to look at. So that it's actually one of the reasons, like I said, why I felt pretty secure in getting this as a whole. We'll be able to just sit here and have all sorts of little chatty time. So this should be going up today on Tuesday. I'm also going to go ahead and film Thursday's show and tell. I've got my giant cup of waters. I may actually go make myself a cup of coffee. It's still kind of chilly. It was supposed to be like in the 50s today, but I don't think that's going to happen. And tonight it's supposed to be like 21, I think. We have another cold wave coming in. When I go walking tomorrow, I'm going to be a little Carrie-sicle because we're still going at 7:30 in the morning. And actually yesterday we went at 6:30. Oh, well, that's... I'm not complaining because, we're blending out, but it's just funny because it's so... We have 15, 16, 17, 18. So it's very saturated, intense, blended, saturated, intense, kind of blended. I'm digging this. Like, I know it's like, but together as a set, like, this is really cool. It's a good thing these holes are really big tags. Yeah, our weather can't seem to figure out what we're going to do because yesterday it was like 65. And now we're going to be back down to the 20s. And I'm not really looking forward to that. That's going to be yucky feeling. Because it's also going to be very windy. The wind was kicking up this morning. Now it was 36, 37 when I headed out this morning. But I did wear my coat with an ear warmer because the wind was pretty vicious. 2 more to go for today. After I lost the footage the other day, I was just like, I'm not going to open anymore. I went to go upload everything. And the problem is I went to go upload the video and it didn't upload. And I don't know what happened on my computer. It's somewhere on my computer, more than likely. It just got saved in the wrong place, and I just can't find it. Because this is one of the few times I didn't change the name on it. But I had already deleted everything off my phone, so. All right, so this is what I knew we had coming, which is more the maizy color. But this looks so bright now next to the copper color. But there we go. That's day 19. La 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 la. That's been bonkers. And just like little things. I mean, like, we've had, since Thanksgiving, every week there's been a doctor's appointment. I've either had to take somebody to or go to myself. And I'm just exhausted. I mean, nothing major. I mean, things like, getting my appointment done and getting my tooth cleaning done and getting cats checked up and stuff. We're having to do all the kitten wellness checks with Banner. All right. Okay, that looks like nothing. There's like very faint Very faint blue and yellow, but more or less a white hanky yarn. So that is day 20. I am going to stop this video. I will get this uploaded. I will try to take a picture of all 3 of these, or five, 6, whatever they are. 5. I will try to get a picture of these all together. I'll try to get a picture of all these all together, and then, like I said, I will add on a picture here at the end of the socks and the shawl, where I've gotten so far on those. And I will film the one for Saturday. So Thursday, I will have my show and tell up, and Saturday will be the last 5 days of the Advent calendar. So thank you for bearing with me while I do this way, and I will see you guys real soon. Love you guys.